Oracle Opower's data browser has a new view that helps customers quickly compare energy usage or costs to the previous year. From the Time menu, select the Year-over-Year view. The most recent 12 months of energy costs are displayed, side by side with the same months from the previous year. The most recent 12 months are shown as the darker bars, and the previous year is the lighter bars, making it easy to spot trends, savings, and seasonal shifts. Hover over any month for details. If a bill is estimated, this is indicated with a striped bar and a tooltip that states the period for which the bill was estimated. Switch to the Energy Use tab to compare usage rather than cost year over year. These tabs help customers separate changes in consumption from changes in cost. The year-over-year view defaults to the most recent 12 months and compares the previous 12 months. However, customers can also go back to earlier data to identify historical trends.